Okay, the next step we're going to show you here is how to get something started in iMovie. Create the project, create the folder, and then get the pictures in it. So you probably need to go to your Launchpad and look for the iMovie program. It's the purple star here. You can search for it, type in iMovie. There it is. And then you just start it up. It might take just a little bit of time for it to start up. Don't worry about the spinning beach ball. It should go away. If you get the welcome to iMovie message, this stuff you see here, or any other kind of welcome message, just click continue. And if you get any others, any other messages, just click continue past them. Not sure how long this loading backing up iMovie library will take. There we go. And again, mine may not look like yours as I've done other projects, and so I have different things in here. Okay. But you should have a plus sign over here. You're going to be on projects up here. And then you have a plus sign that is where you go to create a new movie. So you just click on that and then you choose this movie option right here. And that will take you to a window that looks something like this. And again, if mine doesn't look exactly like yours, it should be similar to what you see, okay? And so what you see here in iMovie is like, this is the title of your project, which and yours might not be My Movie 2, it might be something else. So I think we got to get a name on our project that makes sense. Back your way over here where it says projects, hit that back arrow. A box should pop up and you can type vehicles. And then when you get that in there, you can click OK. And now you should have a square here on your kind of your main page, and it should say vehicles. And now just double click it and it actually should now say vehicles up here. Okay. And so we have our project created. The next thing we have to do is we need to come over here and we need to make a folder for you to put your pictures in that you've saved. So you're just going to right click on this black area somewhere and make what's called a new event. That's the folder. You just click on new event and it'll probably put a date on it. Just leave that highlighted and just type vehicles pictures. And then you can just press enter. And again, don't worry that I have others, but then you should have a folder here that says vehicle pictures. And again, you can pause the movie, you can rewind, and then come back and watch it again. So once you have your folder over here and you've named your project, they can't be the same thing. That's why this is vehicles and this is vehicle projects or pictures. So iMovie doesn't like that when they're the same. So the next thing that you need to do is import in what's called media. Media is your pictures or video that you maybe have taken. So up here, you're on like the My Media tab. So if you click on this arrow that says import media, it's going to take you to a screen that probably looks something like this. And again, if it's not exactly like that, just keep going and see if we should be able to find the right location. You probably need to click on your house over here, and that should then open up down below here where you have your documents folder at. And if you open that up, you should be able to find your digital production folder. Then inside of your digital production folder is your folder, assignment 1 vehicles. And there are all the pictures that you took or that you saved. And mine kind of look like they've been alphabetized, and that's fine. It doesn't really matter what order you bring them in. So I'm just simply going to single click on one of them and then do Command A because I want them all. Command A is the shortcut for select all. Once I have all of them selected, I click import all, and then I wait for the pictures to all show up here in my media window. And you can visually see them. You can see that in the top left corner, they all have a little video or a little picture camera. That means it's a still picture. Okay. And so you can scroll here and see what they look like. When you get into iMovie, you can, if you want, just kind of hover over them. They'll show up over here in the preview window. Here's your scroll bar so that you can see all 15 of your pictures. So that should take you through that step as to how to create the project and then make the event folder and put all the pictures in the folder. Because once you have pictures here or videos, then you can use them in your project.